This is an AutoTest product video for the Headlight Align. This is a professional quality beam aligner suitable for all kinds of headlamps. Follow the steps for product assembly, correct testing, setup and use. Make sure the bevel goes towards the mirror. The Headlight Align is now ready for testing. The vehicle should be perpendicular to the aimer at a distance of 500mm. The test area should be a flat, level surface. The height of the headlight determines the low beam adjustment according to ADR 46 and UNECE Rule 31. Make sure your high beams are on. Some cars may need the engine running to show the true brightness. When you press the green button, you will see a laser pointer. This should be lined up with the centre of your headlight using the laser dot. Measure the intensity of the high beam by pushing the green button. Switch headlights to low beam. Using the wheel, move the indicator scale up and down until the horizontal line is level with the top of the headlight beam. The unit of scale on the pictured indicator is percentage slope or centimetres per 10 metres. Using the AutoTest Headlight Align, you only require 5 metres by 2.5 metres on a flat level surface for testing. In comparison, testing headlight beams using the headlight screen and test bay method, you require 12 metres by 2.5 metres on a level flat surface, making it really difficult for testing in small garage spaces.